Winner by fall, Mat 3, Roberts of Jimtown. Up next, D'Amato of Elkhart, Payne of Jimtown. On deck, Mat 3, Gapshis of Boone Grove, Troy of Fairfield. Jesuitsky of Penn. Delton Swiss of Adams, 165 pounds. Match on Mat 3 is 175 pounds. Ladies and gentlemen, let's not forget, if you're getting a little fall on Mat 3, Payne of Jimtown, your winner. At 90 pounds, Brad Dapshis of Boone Grove, Mason Troyer of Fairfield. On deck, Mat 3, Hagar of Fairfield, Micah of Boone Grove. In the hole, Mat 3, Summer of Elkhart, McKee of St. Joe. On deck, Mat 2, Spencer of Wheeler, Freeman of Penn. In the hole, Shaw of Adams, Schaefer of Penn, Mat 2. On Mat 1, on deck, Martinez of Adams, Holmes of Boone Grove. In the hole, Gasper of St. Joe, Haynes of Fairfield, Mat 1. Winner of Mat 1 by decision, Logan Garza of Boone Grove. Up next, Martinez of Adams, Holmes of Boone Grove, Mat 1. Wrestling now on Mat 3, heavyweights, Alex Hager of Fairfield, Daniel Micah of Boone Grove. On deck, Mat 3, Summer of Elkhart, McKee of St. Joe. In the hole, Hager of Penn, Kamrowski of Adams, Mat 3.